Y'all, guess what I got?
So why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
I got a handheld tripod because I miss vlogging so much, and honestly my camera has amazing quality. Oh my gosh, looks, my lips are so dry. I want to do like get ready with me's, and I have my big ring light that's also a tripod, and I just think this would be so fun. The other day I baked a cake and I was like, this would be so fun to like just have. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it opens up so I can put it on. I'm so excited. I've been like usually balancing you guys on whatever I can balance, like books. Speaking of, I have so much to update you on. Okay, so today is an interesting day. So you guys have heard a little bit about the salon, I believe. I'm going today at 3 p.m. to do my first firing. I am firing. I'm not nervous. We've really tried to help this individual for over 3 months, and we've been trying to be accommodating, all these things. This person just like bombards our phone, never wants to come into the salon. They have so many questions and need so much education. They are like just an early student as a stylist, and like we want to help, and we've been willing to help. We've been making trainings, meetings, like it's just been on and on and on. And now the rest of the staff are very upset and annoyed and do not like their phones being bombarded, of course. So you did a really good effort. We did a last ditch effort, which was like any questions or anything, just like come to the salon, like book a time, let's just chat. No, I don't want to. No, I'm good. I'm okay. And then the questions keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. So that is like a very short rundown. I wish you guys could know how much this has taken over my life. But I think this is like a learning opportunity. That's what I'm seeing it as, optimistic. And I'm also trying to tell myself that like you cannot save everybody, even if like you want to save them or you want to help people. That's what we're doing today. I also, my face, my hair, I've been wanting to wash my hair today. There's a lot of things I want to do. I also got a package from a company. Oh, this is so nice. If you guys do not know, our salon flooded. My ring light was there, so that's being replaced and should be here soon. There's so much happening in my life. Next week, me and my man are going on a trip. Me and my boyfriend, that's my boo. I have 1 hour to get to the shop. The shop is like 20 minutes away, but I want to stop by Staples. Do you guys have Staples where you are? So I'm gonna go to Staples. I'm gonna get a printer for the shop, and then I'm going to buy a bunch of papers and things, and hopefully I can get some work and print a bunch of stuff out in the shop that needs to be printed instead of going to Staples and printing. Last time I printed 100 pages, it was $100. Expensive. So everyone was talking about this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen, my sister included. I don't like it. I can't wait to be finished it. It's just so dry. Oh my gosh. So I make sure to put it on top of right after my moisturizer and like oils, because if I don't, my face will look ashy. Let's go, party people. It's 2:06. I know what I need. I get it out, and then I go to the shop, and then we do the things we need to do today. Let's go. I just can't give my camera whiplash, but guys, I have a squishy for one of my kids. I feel like I can like shove it in here. See? Oh, yes, this little stick figure thing is coming in clutch. Today's a Sunday. all week I've been out of the house. Usually I like to take Sundays to stay in my home, but we got shit to do today. So that is not an option, but that's okay. It's snowing today, which is so funny because I literally, okay guys, I'm also instructing students right now, like not instructor, I'm supervising students because we have students that are in my work and I'm a behavior consultant, that's my role, and my boss had asked me if I can take on the role of supervising them. So I have students that I'm supervising. So we did their midterm evaluation with their instructor, and because they're doing their like internship right now. Or what was I getting at? Do you see how I lose train of thought? Oh yeah, I'm supervising students and we had an evaluation with one of the instructors and he was like, the sun has been shining, it's been beautiful, it's been great. Everyone was like, yes, I'm so excited, the snow's gone. And I'm like, I think we got one more snowfall. And he's like, I don't think so, there's no way, you jinxed it. I'm like, no it is, we can't get too comfortable. Every time I get too comfortable and I get excited, the snow comes, and the snow is here today. Thank you very much for the snow for coming. Do I like the snow? No, but I knew it was coming. But every time like we feel like we're in the clear in Canada, we get hit again. So don't get so comfortable over here. I feel like I'm in a hurry, but I'm not. Like I'll be there at 2:20. And again, I know exactly the printer I want. So I want that. I'll get the paper, and then I need to get like these like clear folder things. So if I just get those, it'll be really simple. So we can like re-put our Wi-Fi because we had to change our Wi-Fi because they got water damage, blah, blah, blah. I've talked about this a lot already, and I talked about it in like jumble because like I get really overwhelmed and stressed out, and I'm really bad at like keeping people in the loop consistently. I'm good at let's figure out the situation, let's find the solution, let's solve it, and then we can move towards how to, and then I can tell you everything. But now I would like to bring you along the process of my life. I think that's what makes vlogging really fun. Easy peasy, beautiful. We ended up getting a printer that I did not want, but this one was a little more expensive, but it was a powder one, which he said like is good if you're not using it all the time because the ink doesn't dry up. So let's see how we think. The shop flooded, if I haven't told you already. With that being said, I am officially cleaning this part out. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it flooded, like everything. And the big thing, it's been flooded for a while. You know me, I'm really bad at like telling y'all things when they happen because I get very overwhelmed and stressed. We need to clean this now. Yeah, so that's what's going on. My lips are very dry. It flooded. This thing is messed up. Our like stand at the front, so we're gonna change that. We have a new one coming, and the worst part is it was behind here with that it flooded, so it messed up all of our electronics, everything. And I'm nervous, but I got the printer. I wasn't nervous before, but now I am. But the printer I got is so cute. I have to show you. Oh, gotta go. Look at the beautiful salon. We set up the salon, and what else did we set up? Oh yeah, no, we set up the printer, duh! And I got it figured out. The only thing I do not like is that it's really ugly because it comes out like this, and then the paper just sticks out. Like as you guys saw, we're not doing that. So what I'm going to do, we have like a drawer right here. Oh my gosh, my camera is going to die. I knew I should bring my charger. Anyway, we have a like a thing here that I would like to clean out because up here is where the water flooded. So with that being said, I want to clean up. Let me show you. It's like all the stuff from the ceiling fell out of it. I cleaned it out yesterday and now it just needs to be washed. So today I will wash it, and then I'm going to put all the printer paper in there. So when we want to print, we put it in there. Yeah, I want to shoot like a time lapse and have you guys see that. So I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh. Guess what happened? We leaked. I didn't take that in. I stepped away to go make myself some tea, and we have a leak. I have to disinfect everything now. Yeah, so that's wonderful. Stores are closed because it's Sunday and it closes at 6 p.m. today. 6 p.m. I have got everything set up for this printer. Guys, guess I am like so annoyed because the printer I wanted, I said this is the printer I want. He was like, I recommend none of these. I think you should get this one, blah, 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 blah. It's a laser printer. They're so much more amazing. Da, 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 whatever. Blah, 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 right? I said, does it have all the same features? He said, yes, it does. Okay, so I got it. Guess what? This printer, I've been like, I set it up. I've been trying to figure it out. I'm like Googling. I wanted to go back to Staples. It wasn't working. I mean, it was closed. So I was like, okay, let me go to Walmart. Walmart always has it. They don't have it. I'm like calling Walmart's and seeing if my boyfriend just pulled up. That's perfect. They don't have it. So I'm like, okay, all good. Let me call. So I'm like calling Walmart's. They're like, no, we don't have it at this location, but it might be this color. Cool, got it. I freaking, they said it might be at London Drugs. We have a London Drugs here. I was like, cool, I'll do London Drugs. And guess what? London Drugs is like, this is just a black printer. And I don't know why this man pushed this to me. So that's great.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.